Once the snow melted, we were finally able to make it down to IKEA down in Charlotte, North Carolina.
If you've ever renovated a camper, you know that IKEA is the place to go. They specialize in things for small spaces, so you can find all kinds of options there. And it's a ton of fun just to wander through all the displays they have set up and see what's available. The prices are reasonable. We just have a blast going there. We do it on a pretty regular basis. But that's how we discovered the Trones that are in our bedroom now, and they've really made a difference as far as our space goes. Probably the wood, yeah, something like that will click onto my desk would be very good.
Because that goes with the theme. Dangerous thing.
I love IKEA, it's fun.
It's expensive. Well, no, it's not expensive. That's the problem. We end up buying more.
Well, it's kind of like going to Sam's or Costco.
Yeah. You get so much that you don't even realize what you get.
I don't think I can get out of Sam's or Costco for less than $100.
Well, just the Trones cost more than we wanted it to cost.
Well, we got some things we needed. We needed a new ironing board.
Yeah.
We needed a hamper. We got the Trones. A couple other little odds and ends, some napkins and bags and that kind of stuff. Now we gotta find the car. Just for the record, these bags that you pay $1 for are amazing.
Yeah.
Like you can throw your dirty laundry in them at the end of a trip or whatnot. And we've got one, I think, somewhere.
Yeah. If we haven't given it to Goodwill.
But they crumple down into nothing.
Yeah.
And they hold a lot. You can see. We got some new towels.
Yeah. All right, I'm done.
We have an IKEA haul.
Yeah, the snow is finally gone. We finally made it down to Charlotte to go to IKEA.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing here.
Well, like I said, we were going to replace our hamper, and this is a much thinner for us to use.
Let's see, where do these go?
Go ahead and open it up all the way, and you'll find it.
Having fun?
Hello? What are you talking about?
He's trying to get the new Trones put in.
Yeah, I had to move all the other ones over a little bit to fit this one in. So now we're going to have 6 Trones. Oh, hand me a screw, please.
There you go. I'm sorry, babe.
Don't be sorry.
Hey.
Huh?
Eesh.
You don't like that sound, do you?
No, not particularly.
All right, another one. Okay, one project is done. In a camper, you don't have much floor space, so you have to go with vertical space. And that's one of the things that these Trones are really pro at helping out with, because it makes your storage vertical.
Technically it's shoe storage, but it works really, really good for
it works good for a lot of different things. Now, the thing is that when IKEA originally started selling these things, they sold in packs of 3. And so we bought 3 last time. Well, now they're in packs of 2. So we had to buy 2 more to get 6 on here, and that left us with 1 extra one. So now we've got 7 Trones on the wall, with the oddball over there on the end.
But it looks good with the hamper right there, which also came from IKEA.
It does. It does.
And that also came from IKEA, and then his kite bag is beside that.
Yeah.
So very intentional space.
Yeah, it worked out okay. But I like that hamper too. That hamper just came from IKEA. That's a lot less bulky than that big thing that we had in here. And we're not going to need to use that. And with the straps and things that are on that right now, you can just grab the straps and carry the whole thing out to the laundry or whatever.
Came from Amazon. We have
This
6.
drawer right here came from Amazon.
We've got 6 of them.
Okay.
I may get more.
I don't know. I don't
What
think
we're
we're
trying
going
to
to
decide right now is how we want to
utilize them.
utilize them. And we haven't really touched the. I don't think is there anything up here anymore? In this cabinet?
No, not right now.
The stuff that's above here, the overhead storage right here,
Over here.
will be for like jeans and jackets and.
Oh, there are sheets up there, but
Well, we can move those. But this will be like our off-season. Not maybe stuff we won't need as much.
yeah, between the Trones and these drawers, I think we'll be fine. Anything you get at IKEA or Amazon is going to require a lot of assembly.
That's kind of the lane they're in. Okay. All that sure stuff.
I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Okay. I have to have this shirt.
Mine's in here somewhere.
I have to keep this one.
The Trones are working pretty well. I think the closet is working pretty well.
I haven't got anything in the closet yet. I'm just using the Trones so far. But the way I do shirts in the Trones is I roll them up instead of fold them up.
Right.
And so by rolling them up, you get more space in here and you stack them. So, and you can also, because you're rolling them up, you can reach whichever shirt you want. And,
Easy.
And you know what you're pulling out. So
It's gonna be good. We've got everything we need, I think.
well, we're going to need to probably pack some of the warmer stuff, being that it's still going to be early spring once this thing is on the move again.
We're getting there.
And also, we're going to be in the process of selling our house, and while we're selling the house, we're probably going to be staying in the camper so that nothing in the house gets messed up for when the prospective buyers come to see it. So,
It's coming along. We've got some organization going. There's clothing storage. Closets are looking good. So we're just...
we don't know what we're doing there yet.
Yeah, it's mostly empty.
We don't know what we're doing there yet.
Probably colder stuff that we would need if it got cold.
Yeah.
Or things that don't get pulled out all the time.
Maybe some extra blankets or something. Well, we got extra blankets in the closet.
We
so,
do.
So that's...
It's pretty organized, but we spent some time at IKEA today. So
yeah.
but it's good. It's going well.
Yeah, it's a process, definitely. So what's next?
I don't know.
Your computer, that's what's next.
Yeah, we need an extra monitor. We need to get our regular PC worked on. It has a virus. but it's like a daisy chain computer, so we'll be able, our plan is to mount it over here by the Dynesk on an arm so you could just pull it out. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited about that. I'm excited for him about that. But just perfecting my office space is part of it too.
We're packing up a lot of stuff to go into storage. We don't have a whole lot of stuff, but this is stuff that we're going to be keeping. One of the things that we do to raise money for our channel is we sell these beautiful prints of places that we've been before that people use in their decorating for their home or their camper. We're going to do something a little bit different. Even though Western North Carolina's not in the news anymore, there's a lot of recovery efforts still going on, and they still need a lot of help. So this particular picture of Lake Lure from Chimney Rock from before Hurricane Helene hit, that is on our website right now, and anyone that's willing to make a donation to help Western North Carolina will receive a print of this particular photo. So if you want to do something to help out Western North Carolina, this is one thing that you can do and get something in return. So go to thecampercouple.com and you'll see all the information that you need to make your donation there.